Top 5 foods highest in vitamin E. Sunflower seeds are one of the best sources of vitamin E. They are often eaten as a snack or added to salads and baked goods. 1 ounce, or 28 grams, of sunflower seeds contains approximately 7.4 milligrams of vitamin E. Almonds are another excellent source of vitamin E. They can be eaten raw, roasted, or added to various dishes. 1 ounce, or 28 grams, of almonds provides around 7.3 milligrams of vitamin E. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable rich in vitamin E. It can be eaten raw in salads or cooked in various dishes. 1 cup, or 180 grams, of cooked spinach contains about 3.7 milligrams of vitamin E. Avocado is high in healthy fats and vitamin E. It can be used in salads, sandwiches, and smoothies. 1 cup, or 150 grams, of sliced avocado provides approximately 4.2 milligrams of vitamin E. Butternut squash is a nutritious vegetable that provides a good amount of vitamin E. It can be roasted, pureed, or added to soups and stews. 1 cup, or 205 grams, of cooked butternut squash contains about 2.6 milligrams of vitamin E. Including these foods in your diet will help to ensure healthy vitamin E levels in your overall health.